Hello, in this video we're going to do some sample test questions dealing with long-run average cost. Long-run average total cost is, correct answer here is A. It's the minimum per unit cost of producing any given level of output when all inputs can be varied. Question 2. Economies of scale occurs when, correct answer here is going to be B. Long-run average total cost falls as the firm produces more output. Question 3. In the long run, a firm can produce 100 units at a total cost of $200 or 150 units at a total cost of $300. The firm exhibits, correct answer here is going to be D, constant returns to scale, because the long run average total cost of $2 is unchanged at the different output levels. So long run average cost at 100 units of output is 200 divided by 100, or $2. And long run average cost at 150 units of output is 300 divided by 150, also $2. So this is constant returns to scale. The average total cost stays constant as the firm moves into either a bigger or smaller plant. Question 4. The long run average total cost curve, correct answer here is D, shows how the firm's average total cost of production changes when the firm increases its plant size and produces more output. Question 5. If a firm is experiencing diseconomies of scale, correct answer here is B. Its long-run average total cost is increasing with output. In other words, it slopes upwards. What can cause diseconomies of scale? Correct answer here is going to be D, answer choice A and answer choice B. Coordination problems become more difficult as the firm's scale of operations increase. B, it is more difficult to monitor and assess workers and managers in larger enterprises. Okay, we're going to look at this graph here for the next question. Economies of scale occur. Correct answer here is answer A, up to 4 million units of output. So here's 4 million units of output, and the long-run average total cost here is falling. So the firm is experiencing economies of scale over this range of output. Question 8, same graph. If the firm is experiencing constant returns to scale, per unit cost is, correct answer here is $4. So constant returns to scale occurs when the long-run average total cost curve is horizontal. And we can see in this diagram that occurs at a cost of $4. So reading that number off the vertical axis, constant returns to scale happens at a per unit cost of $4. And question 9, if the firm is experiencing diseconomies of scale, it must be producing blank million units of output. Diseconomies of scale is this far right section of the long run average total cost, where the long run average total cost slopes upwards. So the output in this range then would be consistent with diseconomies of scale. And our answer choice here is going to be D, 9 million units of output. Moving on. Which of the following statements is true? Constant returns to scale means the long-run average total cost remains unchanged as the quantity of output changes. That is true. Statement 2, diseconomies of scale means the long-run average total cost rises as the quantity of output increases. That is true. So statements 1 and 2 are true. So answer choice C. Question 11, a firm's output doubles and its long-run total cost doubles. This firm is experiencing. So the correct answer here is going to be constant returns to scale. So I'm just going to make up some numbers here. Let's say the firm has a total cost of $100 and is producing 20 units of output. The long-run average total cost in this case is $5. If the firm were to double its output, the output goes from 20 to 40 units, and the firm's total cost doubles, the long-run average cost remains unchanged. So this is a case of constant returns to scale. Question 12, economies of scale can result from. Correct answer here is going to be D, answer choice A and B. Question 13, a firm's long-run total cost, not average cost, but total cost is $10,000 at 5 units of output and increases to $15,000 at 10 units of output. The firm's long-run average total cost is blank with output, so the firm is experiencing blank. Our answer choices. Correct answer here is going to be A. So I'm going to get the long-run average cost at 5 units of output. 10,000 divided by 5 is $2,000. Then I'm going to get the long-run average cost when output is now 10 units. So 15,000 divided by 10 gives us a long-run average cost of $1,500. So this here is a case of economies of scale. As the firm's getting bigger and bigger and producing more output, it's enjoying falling per unit cost. So the correct answer again is going to be A. We got economies of scale, and the long-run average total cost curve then is decreasing over this range. Okay, that's it.